guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're here with the shoes Nike Dunk. You can check the shoes at first. Let's take a look at the shoe itself. I really like this colorway. It's very fashionable and this is very popular. The shoelace, the toe, you can see the logo very clear, and inside of it, the outsole, the sole, and backside. Let's check another one. You can see here are two extra shoelaces. One's green, one's orange. Check it. Front side. This part is very special. Backside. So, and here is shoebox, as same as the original shoebox. If you want to buy these shoes, please contact me directly on my website skykick.ru. Thank you.